Easy Hack here. Well, here I am, been messing around all day, about 1,000,000 hours today, with this CR-10 that I rescued from the garbage. Now I know why it was in here. So, let me give you guys an update of where we are today. We got all the end stops hooked up, we got all the stepper drivers hooked up, we got all the motors hooked up, we got everything hooked up, but the problem is now, is she's shaking and banging around. And she's homing up instead of down. Here, I'll show you. We're using Windows 2 right now. Just because I'm updating the firmware, and you know how long it takes to update the CR-10 firmware? It takes forever. Okay, so there's our CR-10. We're going to zoom in, and I'm going to home it for you. Okay, so you guys get a good picture there, so we're gonna power her up, and I'm not gonna have anything break on this. There's a BL touch there. But now I'm going to motion, auto home. Watch what happens. Oh my god. Well, at least it's going down. But do you see that? This one banged into the end stop, this one banged into the end stop. We got both end stops, and look, it says homing failed. You can't see that, but oh, it's driving me freaking nutty. The 3D touch, I placed it. And it's an $8 one. It's an $8 clone bought from Walmart. There's my coffee. There's a coffee number 10. Now I've been at this all day because it takes a while to do your uploading on this program. See, there we go. Boom, boom, boom. I just uploaded this, and that's what it did. And if you want to see something kind of funny, because there's been so much, oh, you can't see that, but it says CR crap. Anyways, I will give you guys the solution to all these problems when I find it. I'm going through every line of the firmware, and I'm going to upload how to fix the CR-10, updating the firmware tomorrow on 2.1.1.9, the latest one, and yada yada yada. Easy Hack out.